Hi everybody, my name is Jo. I invite you to relax your face. Draw the tongue down from the roof of your mouth and focus on that area in between the brows. We're going to relax that. You can take your hands up there just to soften out the skin, giving your face a little massage if you like, relaxing the jaws. Beautiful. Unclench your teeth if they're clenched. And let's take a deep breath in together. And out. Beautiful. Super. So, if you're like most of us at the moment, sitting down at a desk all day long, I invite you to take a little break from that, just for 30 seconds, to walk around the room, walk around the office, the spare room, wherever you're at, stretch out your legs and shake out your body. So just do it for 30 seconds. Shaking out your shoulders, your hands, and taking a deep breath in, reaching the hands up towards the ceiling. And as you exhale, release your hands nice and fast. Beautiful. Let's try it once more. Great. Now we're going to keep our hands down beside our body. Make fists with the hands. Take a deep breath in. And as you exhale, release, let it go. Beautiful. Now another tip to bring a bit more mindfulness into our everyday life is to try and focus on one thing at a time. So yes, we're all guilty of multitasking. So how about we try to do one thing at a time, even if you just do it once in the day. So if you're having a cup of tea in the morning or a cup of coffee, hold on to your cup with both hands. Think about how your cup feels in your hands. Is it warm? Is it really, really warm? And think about how that coffee or tea or drink, whatever you've got, how it tastes first thing in the morning. How does it make you feel? And again, you can focus on your breathing as you drink. And just take those little magic moments just for you to focus on one thing at a time. And a thing that I've started to do is catch myself out on doing something. So if I'm in the middle of doing something, for example, emptying the dishwasher, I'm always looking at the cooker or trying to fix another thing, do another thing, and then I try and catch myself out. So I ask myself, what am I doing right now? I'm emptying the dishwasher. So trying to finish one thing before we start another thing is also really, really helpful. And obviously we can't all live this beautiful, wonderful, mindful life, but just making a little effort will make a difference to your day. So some of my younger students, my teenage students, ask me, how can I bring yoga or mindfulness into my life? What am I supposed to do when I feel really thick with these guys in my school or really angry with my parents? What am I supposed to do? Do I start doing a yoga move or a pose or a sun salutation? So I offered them to maybe think about their breath. So before they express that feeling of anger or stress, to take a deep breath in, inhaling through the nose and out through the mouth. And it gives them a second to think about what they're about to do. And also, if they're feeling stressed or angry, that deep breath will relax them a little bit and maybe bring it from 100% anger, maybe back down to 90. But it definitely lets them reassess what's happening before they lash out and react. And in mindfulness and yoga, we're always trying to help ourselves to respond as opposed to react. So we're not in that knee-jerk reaction all the time. And one more thing, before you go to bed at night, when you lay your head down on your pillow, often our minds start to race then. We start thinking about tomorrow. We start thinking about what happened earlier on in the day, worrying about whether we said the right thing or the wrong thing, or finishing conversations that we didn't get to finish. Or what happens to me a lot is having arguments in my head that I didn't even get to have. So when you go to bed tonight, you close your eyes and things start to race into your head, focus back on your breath, that deep breath in, coming in through your nose, and visualize it coming through your head, relaxing and slowing down your mind. And then begin to scan your body, relaxing your shoulders, your hips and your feet. And maybe you won't remember all these things when you get into bed tonight, but try to remember balancing your breath. So we're inhale for 3 or 4, and then exhale for the 3 or 4 too. And that will help to slow everything down, to relax our nervous system and give you a nice, calm and restful sleep. Thank you so much for joining me. Goodbye.